Hi friends, Sunil here. Welcome to this channel. Today our topic is pointers and arrays. Pointers and arrays are closely related. In this session we are going to see how we can use pointers to access and manipulate data in an array. For that I have declared an integer array with 5 elements. So this is the array a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3 and a of 4. The values in the array are 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. A of 0 is at address 2000. This is called the base address. A of 1 at 2004, A of 2 2008, A of 3 2012 and A of 4 is at address 2016. Now first address is 2000, second address is 2004. There is a difference of 4 between the addresses. That is because we are using an integer array. The data type is integer and integer data types takes 4 bytes for an element. For an element the integer data type will take 4 bytes. Now we can access the address and values in this array in different ways. Ampersand A of 0 will print the, if I print this address I will get 2000. Ampersand A of 1 2004. Ampersand A of 2 means it will print 2008. So this is, we can print the address by using ampersands. Another way is using the name of the array. Array name is a pointer to the first value in the array. So this acts as a pointer to the first value in the array. That means it will store the address of the first value of the array. That is, it will store 2000. So when I print A, I will get 2000. Then A plus 1, that is the next one. If I print A plus 1 means A plus 1 into 4, because integer takes 4 bytes. So it becomes A plus 4. So it will print A is 2000 plus 4, 2004, it will print 2004. Then if I print A plus 2, I will get 2008 because A is 2000 plus 2 into 4, 8. So 2008 will be the address. That is this. If I print A plus 2, I will get 2008. Similarly, A plus 3 means 2000 plus 3 into 4, 12. So 2000 plus 12, 2012. That is this address. Now, these are the two ways by which we can access and print the address. Now to print the value, if I put star in front of A, I will get the value. That is, the value is 10. Value at address 2000 is 10. So A is 2000 and star A will give me 10. Similarly, star A plus 1 will give me the value at address 2004, that is 20. So in this way we can print the value. Here star means value at operator, value at location 2000. Value at the address it is pointing to, that is 2000, that is 10. That star is a value at address operator. It is also called dereferencing operator. So you are dereferencing the value at that address, that is address 2004 and getting 20 for star A plus 1. So in this way, by putting star in front of that, we can print the values. But here we cannot use the increment operator plus plus. Instead of A plus 1, I cannot use A plus plus. When you are using the array name, we cannot use the increment operator. But if I assign the value, that base address A to a pointer variable P, if I declare a pointer variable P and assign the value of the base address to it, that is the value of A to it, to P, then I can use the increment operator. Now we will see how to print the address and value using pointer. How to access the address and value in the array using the pointer. I will declare a pointer variable P of type integer and assign the value of A. The value of A is 2000 because array name is a pointer to the first value in the array. It is a pointer. So value in A is 2000. That will be assigned to P. So after the assignment, the value in P will be 2000. Now if I print P, I will get 2000, and if I print star P, that is dereferencing the value in the address, so I will get 10 here. So P is 2000, star P is 10. Then I increment P by 1. That means effectively it is 1 into 4 bytes. So the next address, that is 2004, will be printed, and star 2000 means value at that address 20 will be printed. Similarly, P++ will take to the next address, that is 2008. That is P++ means it will take to the next address 2008, and the value in that 30 will be printed if I give star in front of that P. Then another P++ will take me to 2012, and I will print the value 40. So this is how we can access the address in an array using pointers. Access the address and print the value using the pointer. So this is the program for that. Let us execute this and see. So this is the output. See, in the program here I am declaring the integer array of 5. Then I am declaring a pointer variable P of type integer. I and sum are integer variables. I am initializing sum with 0. After that I am printing this statement. Array name is pointer to the first value of the array, that is this. I am printing the value of A and star A. So array name is A. It is pointing to the first element of the array. It is a pointer. It is a pointer to the first value in the array. So it is a pointer. It is holding the address of the first value, that is address of A of 0. Then it is also called the base address. Then I am dereferencing that address and getting the value 10, that is 10. After that I am printing these headings, that is this. Then I am entering into this for loop and printing the value of I, A of I, ampersand A of I, A plus I, and star A plus I. That is, initially I is 0. When I am entering the loop, I is starting from 0, so 0. A of I means A of 0, that is the first value, 10. The address is the same base address, because for A of 0 the address is the base address, that is 6422000. A plus I means this address, base address plus 0, I value 0 now, so same address, and I am putting star in front of that and dereferencing and getting the value in that address, that is 10. Then in this for loop I will go to the next value, that is I becomes 1. Here I is 1. A of 1 means it is 20. A of I means A of 1, the value is 20. Address as incremented by 4 bytes. The next address is after 4 bytes, that is 6422004. The same address that I am getting printed by using the array name A plus 1. A plus 1 means 1 into 4. So it is 6422004. A is 6422000 plus 1 means 1 into 4, that is 4. So it becomes 6422004, and I am dereferencing that using star. Value in this address is 20. That value I am printing here. Similarly, for 2, 3 and 4 values of I, it will get printed in this for loop. After printing that, I am assigning the value of a, that is the base address I am assigning to the pointer variable p. Now we will see how we can print the address and values in the address using pointer. So I am assigning the value of a to p. So p becomes now the value of a, that is 6422000. So p is that value. I am entering to the for loop here and printing the value of p and star p, that is this value p and star p, which is initially it is the base address, and the value in that is, after dereferencing p, it is 10. After dereferencing this address, I am getting the value 10. Now that value I am adding to sum. Sum plus is equal to star p means sum is equal to sum plus star p. Star p is the value, that is 10, that I am adding to sum. Sum initially was 0, now it is 0 plus 10, it has become 10. P plus plus means I am incrementing p, it goes to the next address. Then after that it prints, the I value becomes 1 and it prints this address, that is 6422004. Dereference the value in the address, dereference p and print the value 20. And 20 will be added to the sum. Now the sum was 10 before this, so 20 has added, sum becomes 30. Then p is incremented again, it goes to the next address. Every time you increment, it will increase 4 bytes and go to the next address. And print p, that is 642008. Dereference that value in that address, that is dereferencing value in this address, and that is 30. So that 30 will be added to sum. So previously 30 was there, now this 30 will get added, it will become 60. Then p value is incremented, the next address will get printed, value will get printed. So and finally, after exiting the for loop, the sum will be printed here. So this is how we access and manipulate data in an array using the pointers. Hope you have understood this. If you are having any clarification, doubts, you can put in the comment box. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much.